Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to do a recipe that will help you remove the puff eyes, the dark circles, and also will brighten up the under eye here. Yes, as you can see, mine is clear. So stay tuned so you can know what we are doing today. Welcome to this video. So after that, I'm going to show you how you will use this mixture to clear off your dark circle in just simple way. So we are going to apply here like that, and apply here. I also have a video to show you that I made earlier, how you can use aloe vera to remove dark circles. This is just a second method, and in this method we are using turmeric, lemon, and Vaseline. As you know, even Vaseline can remove dark circles alone, but because of anti-inflammatory and also antioxidant that is in turmeric, it will help to remove the water retention around here, and turmeric will also remove the discoloration of the darkness of the circles. So this is just an easy way to remove dark circles, and it's very effective. Every time I notice that I'm getting dark circles, I normally use this method, and the dark circles, they don't appear. So it's always good to always be careful to look at your eyes so that you can know when they want to appear. In that way, you'll be able to prevent them early and use the home remedies that are very effective, like turmeric. Even massaging with Vaseline normally work pretty well. So in this method, also we are having lemon in the recipe, and lemon is a natural bleach that will remove that discoloration or that darkness around your eyes. As I do that, I normally apply also to my nose, because my nose has a discoloration that was inborn. Can I say inborn, or it was I was born with it, in simple words. So I normally try to remove that mark on my nose. So guys, that's the simple way on how you can remove your dark circles at home. Please subscribe to my channel, share the content. If you really like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you. Till we meet the next video. Ciao.